People are often asking me, Arit, what can we do with coffee grinds? Can they be used in the garden? The short answer is yes, they can, but there's a few things that you need to know in terms of when and how to use them. Coffee is quite acidic, so therefore the first place that you could place the grinds is around ericaceous plants as azaleas here. So you'd be able to take those grinds and sprinkle it around the base, and to be honest, that wouldn't really do any harm. Will it make a huge amount of difference to the plant? Probably not. You'd need quite a lot of coffee grinds to be able to do that, but what it won't do is give it any harm. One thing to note about coffee grinds is that they are poisonous to dogs, so please be careful if you're putting them around your garden or anybody else's garden. If dogs are going to be around, it's probably not a good idea. The best place for them is in the compost bin. They are high in nitrogen, so they're part of the green waste in terms of if you're putting your layers of green and brown. That's where these are going now. The other time where you really shouldn't use coffee grinds is on any seedlings, like these little verbena seedlings, for example, and certainly not on tomatoes. Caffeine inhibits their growth, so just make a note of that. Not on seedlings and not around tomatoes. One of the beliefs is that coffee grinds is good around those plants which slugs love because it deters them from eating the plants. Now, the thing with coffee grinds is that it's supposed to be maybe the texture, maybe the acidity, but the texture that they don't like to crawl across. To be honest, and having spoken to scientists about this, any slug or snail that's going across gravel, eggshells, they just produce more slime. Sorry to say that, but that's what they do. However, I have to say, all of the methods that are, should I say, more humane and not chemical, I think is always worth a go, because you never know. Some people swear by different methods, so let's see. I hope they like the brand. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe to get more great tips from Gardener's World magazine.